Welcome to the folder type tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial provides a summary of the three different folder types: unassigned, syncable, and local. There are two types of working folders now available in VGS 5. Information collected in syncable folders ensures two-way updating to the server and other devices. Syncable folders are displayed as blue folders on your device.
Data collected in the manila local folders can only be synced to other devices. However, local folders can be moved to syncable folders that already exist on the remote server. Once moved, the folder is now part of the server database. Syncable folders and sites can be moved to other syncable folders, however, they cannot be moved to a local folder.
To move a local folder to a syncable folder, click the Edit Schema button and select the local folder you wish to move. Then select the Move Folder button. Navigate to the syncable folder that you want to move the local folder to and select it. Once completed, click the Save Schema Edits button. A brief conversion process from local to syncable will occur with a status bar. Moving a syncable folder or site to another syncable folder or site can be done in Edit Schema mode by dragging and dropping or by utilizing the Move Folder button.
Once you have syncable folders created, it is most efficient to work within those folders rather than collecting data in a local folder and moving them. However, VGS 5 allows the user to work in both syncable and local folders. The unassigned sites folder is for sites that have not been assigned to a specific folder. If you delete a location, it is moved to the unassigned folder. Think of it as a recycle bin on your desktop. If you accidentally delete a site, it can be retrieved from the unassigned sites folder and moved back to its location.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.